I'm Jess, and welcome to another Gen AI workflow tutorial. Today I'll teach you how to create concepts for briefs and pitches. For advertising and marketing creatives, developing high-quality visuals for briefs and pitches on tight deadlines can be stressful. With Leonardo, you can quickly visualize rough concepts into client-ready presentations in 2 steps. We'll start by building a base image composition in RealTime Canvas, then create high-quality concept image variations using our image guidance suite. By the end of this session, you should be able to create professional mockups, just like these concepts we've made for a soft drink campaign. When you log into Leonardo, this is the home screen you'll see. For this workflow, we'll be using RealTime Canvas and image creation. Let's start with RealTime Canvas, our sketch-to-image tool that lets you make real-time adjustments to your image using AI. I'll click on Add Image and put in our soda can first. If I move the can around, you can see on the right, it adjusts in real time. From here, I can edit the prompt to guide the output a little bit better on the right. Reflective soda can surrounded by water splashes. It's immediately started adding some water splash in there. From here, I can also adjust the creativity strength. The higher value it is, the more randomness the AI will add in, and the more it will deviate from my original image. The lower it is, the closer it will be to my original image. I'm going to leave it around 0.5-ish. Now I want to generate some splashes around the can. To do that, I can use the Generate tool here, generate an image inside the canvas. Water splashes, water splash. Done. Click this button to remove the background, and that's being cleared up, looking great. Resize as you see fit, and as you can see on the right hand side, you can already see the AI adjusting to where I'm putting my splash without me having to draw any splash myself at all. I quite like it here. Additionally, you can add in or sketch in some details of your own. So I actually want it to be on a bit of water, so I will draw that in. And that is looking really great. From here, you can also change which layer you'd like your image or your element to be on. I quite like this. You can also adjust your styles in real time. So let's click a few to have a look. Quite nice. Cinematic, environment. Feel free to change your creativity strength to find an image that you quite like. I like the cinematic one. Great. Once we're happy, we can click Instant Refine. This updates and refines the quality of the output in just a few seconds. Now I'm ready to hit download. Awesome, we've now got the base composition of our image down pat, and it's time to bring this image to life. Navigate to image creation, our home base for image creation. We'll use the cinematic keynote preset for this workflow. To use that image from before as reference, let's head over to image guidance in this icon. Click View More and select Edge to Image. This tool helps you generate images using the outline the AI identifies in the reference image as a guide. Perfect to control your composition. Upload our image from before. I'll set this to a lower strength today, so the AI has more freedom to generate some additional details into the background. To build our prompt, let's use the Describe with AI feature. This feature translates your uploaded image into a prompt. Let's use that original image to get a prompt going. Now I'll use Edit with AI to edit that prompt. Edit with AI is like a mini prompt to iteratively tweak your existing prompt and change or add specific details. The client wants this to be the hit beverage of the summer, so we're going to add in a poolside environment with some water splashes. And let's hit generate and see what we get. From here, you can experiment different styles and models and prompts to get variations on that visual theme for your concept. That's it. You've now learned how to take a rough concept and turn it into a polished, professional visual, ready for any brief or pitch. Thanks for following along. Until next time.